within 3 hours how to complete the costing paper in our CA examination. For that, you should be in the position to know the time management. Unless otherwise you complete 100-mark question, attempt for all the 100 marks, very difficult to clear the paper. Majority of the students, they are completing only 80 marks in the examination due to poor time management. Out of 80, getting 50 marks to clear the exam, very difficult. Am I right? So you have to attempt for 100 marks. Then only chances are that to clear the exam with 50 marks. So speed is also equally important. That too, without committing mistake, you have to solve the problem. You have to finish the paper in 3 hours. That art you are supposed to learn. That is called time management. Everything will not come the overnight. You have to do some practice. In examination, how many hours you are going to write the exam? See exam, how many hours they are allotted?
3 hours.
3 hours exam. 3 hours is equal to how many minutes?
180 minutes.
180 minutes. But the entire 180 minutes is not for the purpose of writing the answer. All the entire 180 is not for writing the answer. Am I right?
Yes. Yes, sir.
So, out of 180 minutes, minimum 10 minutes for the purpose of reading the question. Am I right? Digesting the question. 15 minutes they are giving. But in addition to that, additionally you need for digesting the question another 10 minutes. Am I right? Out of 180 minutes, 10 minutes gone. Balance how many minutes are there?
170 minutes.
170 minutes. Even the 170 minutes is not for the purpose of writing the answer.
Yes, sir.
Out of 170 minutes, at least 10 to 15 minutes for the purpose of recollecting the answer. You have to think and recollect. Am I right?
Yeah.
Without thinking, without recollecting all the points, you can't put to reproduce. So, if it's 15 minutes gone, 10 to 15 minutes, you can take 15 minutes itself. Out of 170, 15 minutes gone. Balance how many minutes are there?
155 minutes.
155 only available. Even the 155 minutes also for not writing the answer. Always remember, in examination, writing time only fetch a mark. Am I right? Out of 3 hours, thinking time 2 hours, sir. Any mark will be allotted? Whether I have written anything or not, that only carries mark. Am I right? So, out of remaining how many minutes was there?
155.
155. Even in the 155 minutes is not fully for the purpose of writing. At least 5 minutes for normal loss. What is normal loss? Computational error will be there. You have to rectify. You have to redo. Am I right? For
Yes,
rectification, redoing the work and all. For retaining the marks. Not for scoring additional mark. Am I right? So what mistake you have committed, you are going to rectify mean that you want to retain the mark only. There is no extra mark for that. Therefore, effective time to score the mark, how many minutes only available?
150.
150 minutes only available. Within 150 minutes, you have to attempt for 100 marks. Am I right? Within 150 minutes, you have to attempt for 100 marks. Therefore, to score 1 mark, how many minutes alone available?
1.5.
1.5 minutes alone available. So, within 1.5, you have to score 1 mark. Suppose the 4 mark question, how many minutes you have to spend? 1.5 into 4 is equal to 6 minutes only allowed for you to complete. Understood? Compulsory question, 5 mark, 5 mark, 5 mark each. How many minutes you have to spend per question? 5 into 1.5 is equal to
9.5.
So 7.5 minutes only you have to take. For that you need to practice. Daily we can't set the time. All the questions we can't set the time. Practically not possible. You'll get bored. Am I right? But per day at least 1 question possible. Am I right or not? Daily in our class we are giving homeworks and all. Or select any 1 question while doing your preparation time. 1 question, take 1 question. And what? Set the alarm. Timer set panni vechukko. Then write as if in the examination condition. Because the presentation also equally important. Statement of computation means while solving the answer for rough purpose st dot computation COMP You will fill the abbreviations also. But in examination, you have to elaborate fully. Am I right? When zeros
Yes, sir.
also, you have to put even every second, zeros is equal to 1 second is going to go. Every second you are going to consume. The time management is nothing but what? Including the zero, including the comma, everything going to consume the time in the exam. So in the examination presentation, with the answers, proper answer, highlighting the answer, formula, working, everything together, whether you can be the question to complete within 7.5 minutes for one compulsory question. At least one question possible or not possible? For that only you need practice schedule. Daily basis you need schedule. Understand logic or not? At least one problem. Why don't you try? Today material costing over. I will try one problem from EOQ. You know roughly how many marks question will be then. Okay? If it is 6 mark means 6 into 1.5. 4 mark means 4 into 1.5. At least one question per day you have to try. So that you will be there in the track. You can complete within 3 hours the exam. Understood, Kanu? So try to do the practice. For coming examination, another 40 days only available. Am I right? For next examination, 40 days plus additional 6 months may be there. So per day you should have the practice. Daily practice only make you to success. Success will not come overnight. Okay? Kindly do the practice, Kanna. Any other doubt?